Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker. And on this channel, I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a gym, fitness center, personal training studio, boot camp facility, or a health club and need money for equipment, payroll, daily operations, or growth, this video is for you. A lot of gym owners are bringing in memberships and building a strong community, but they still run into cash flow pressure when it is time to buy equipment, cover payroll, improve their facility, market their business, or expand. In this video, I'm going to break down how gym funding works, how businesses may access $25,000 to $1 million, what lenders usually look for, and how the right capital may help you cover equipment, payroll, and growth opportunities. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with the reality of running a gym business. This industry has constant overhead and ongoing expenses. You have payroll, rent, utilities, insurance, cleaning, software, maintenance, marketing, and equipment costs. On top of that, many gym owners need money for treadmills, ellipticals, weight machines, free weights, turf, flooring, mirrors, lockers, recovery equipment, front desk systems, and facility upgrades. Even when the gym is generating revenue, these expenses can create pressure on cash flow. That is why funding can be such a powerful business tool. It can help gym owners stay competitive, improve their member experience, and position their business for growth. One of the biggest challenges in the gym business is the cost of equipment and staffing. Good gym equipment is expensive, and members expect a facility that is clean, modern, and well equipped. At the same time, payroll does not stop. You still have trainers, front desk staff, cleaning staff, managers, and other team members to pay. So even if memberships are coming in, gym owners can still feel pressure when equipment needs replacing, payroll is due, or the facility needs upgrades. That is why access to capital can make a major difference. There are many reasons gym owners seek funding. Some need money for new equipment. Some need working capital for payroll and operations. Others need capital for rent, utilities, repairs, marketing, renovations, expansion, or adding new services like group training, recovery rooms, childcare, or specialty fitness areas. Maybe you want to remodel the gym, open another location, hire more staff, add classes, or improve the overall experience for your members. The right funding can help with both stability and growth. Now let's talk about what access to $25,000 to $1 million can mean for a gym. At the lower end, that may help cover payroll, working capital, smaller equipment purchases, and operational needs. At the higher end, it may help with major equipment upgrades, facility improvement, expansion, renovations, a second location, or a larger growth move. The amount a gym may qualify for often depends on revenue, time in business, cash flow, and overall business strength. The key point is that funding can give gym owners room to operate and room to breathe. One of the most common funding options for gyms is working capital. Working capital is flexible funding that can be used for day-to-day business needs. That can include payroll, rent, utilities, marketing, cleaning, maintenance, software, repairs, and general operating expenses. This can be especially important in the fitness industry because membership revenue can fluctuate. Seasons can affect attendance, and growth often requires upfront spending. Working capital helps keep the business stable while the gym continues to build and retain members. Some gym owners who need funding specifically for equipment that can include cardio machines, weight machine, racks, dumbbells, flooring, mirrors, recovery equipment, sound system, check-in systems, and other major purchases. Equipment funding can help you get the tools and machines your gym needs without paying the full cost up front. that can protect your cash flow while still allowing you to invest in the equipment and upgrades that help attract and retain members. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a gym for funding. First, they often look at the time of business. They want to see some stability. Second, they look at monthly revenue and how consistent your deposits are. Third, they may review your bank activity, cash flow, existing debt, and personal credit profile. The important thing to understand is that lenders often look at the full business picture, not just one number by itself. A lot of gym owners think if their credit is not perfect, they do not have a chance. That is not always true. Credit matters, but so do revenue, cash flow, deposits, and overall business strength. If your gym is generating steady revenue and showing business activity, you may still have options available. That is why it's important not to count yourself out too early. One of the biggest mistakes gym owners make is waiting too long. They wait until payroll is tight, equipment is outdated, the facility needs repairs, or cash flow is already under pressure. Another mistake is not knowing their numbers. You should know your monthly revenue, major expenses, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include mixing personal and business finances, too many overdrafts, applying for the wrong type of funding, and borrowing without a clear plan. Preparation matters. If you want to improve your approval odds, keep your business deposit consistent. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce overdraft and negative bank activity. Keep your records organized. Know your monthly revenue. Have a clear use for the funds, and do not wait until the business is already under major pressure. Gym owners who prepare early usually put themselves in a stronger position. Let's say your gym is doing well, but your equipment is outdated and members are starting to notice. Equipment funding may help you upgrade your machines without draining your operating cash. Or maybe membership is growing, but payroll, rent, marketing, and operating costs are putting pressure on your cash flow. Working capital may help you keep the business running smoothly while continuing to grow. The right funding solution depends on the actual need inside your business. The right funding can help a gym grow in a major way. It can help you improve your facility, upgrade equipment, stabilize payroll, increase marketing, add staff, improve member experience, add services, open another location, and create stronger operations. It can also help you avoid missing growth opportunities just because you do not have enough capital at the right time. When used strategically, funding can help move your gym from maintaining operations to growing with confidence. At the end of the day, gym funding can be a powerful tool when used the right way. Whether you need $25,000, $100,000, or up to $1 million for equipment, payroll, facility upgrades, or business growth, the key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not only be viewed as a last resort. It can also be a smart move to strengthen operations and support long-term growth. If you own a gym and need funding for equipment, payroll, operations, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business funding content for all industries. And I will see you in the next video.